everyone, I am Nyan Kizner Morado and I'm sorry for the delay due to network issue and phone issue, but I will try my best to discuss it well for you to understand it also. So, we are going to tackle about electronic media and radio and television and digital media. So first, what is electronic media? So electronic media means any type of media or communication that uses electricity or electronic devices that share information. Devices to share information, I mean, it helps people send and receive messages quickly through sound, pictures, or videos. So, electronic media refers to all forms of communication that rely on electricity or electronic devices to deliver information. Unlike print media, which uses paper, and electronic media allows messages to be shared instantly through sound, images, and videos. It plays a big role in our daily lives because it helps us connect, learn, or stay updated with what's happening around the world. So these are the three traditional types of electronic media. Number one is television. Television is one of the most powerful forms of electronic media. It combines moving images and sounds to entertain, inform, and educate viewers. Through television, we can watch news, shows, and educational programs right from our homes. Number two, radio. Radio uses sound to deliver information and entertainment. It's especially useful for reaching people in remote areas and during emergencies because it doesn't require visuals and can easily broadcast important updates. Lastly, we have the internet. The internet is the most modern form of electronic media. It allows people to communicate, share, and access information instantly through websites, social media, and online videos. Next is we have the radio and television. So, same day ako ang definition sa radio and television na akong gi-mention earlier sa katong types of electronic media. But I will still discuss it more. So, radio and television remain powerful forms of mass media that inform, educate, and entertain people. Into this digital age, they have evolved through online streaming and social media integration, allowing wider access and real-time interaction. They continue to shape culture, share information, and connect communities around the world. Now, radio and television are important types of mass media that inform, educate, and entertain people. Even to this digital world, they remain powerful because they reach many audiences through online streaming and social media. Radio and TV are now easier to access and allow people to interact in real time. They continue to shape culture, share news, and connect communities around the world. So lastly, we have the digital media. So digital media includes online content such as social media, websites, videos, and news shared through the internet and digital devices. It has transformed communication, learning, and creativity by allowing people to connect, share information, and express ideas instantly across the world. Digital media is any content we see or share online, like social media posts, websites, videos, and online news. It has changed the way we communicate, learn, and share ideas. With digital media, people can connect and share information instantly from anywhere in the world. So that's the end of my discussion, and I hope you've learned something to it, and thank you for watching.